Howdy all, this is Bob. I'm here at McDonald's. I just picked up some fish fillet and fries for a family member. Good stuff. But my scent of the day, and plenty of it, is this. And my contention is also there's me in my very fanciful dress. Any perfume that's green, that means it's good, it's great. Just think of it. Any juice that's green, bottles too, we're talking good quality stuff. Number 19, Eau Noire here, Francis Kurkdjian, now the master at Christian Dior, also did La Mal, green. Help me out here, guys. What's green and sucks? Ooh, that car just hit, whatever. But green Irish tweed, obvious, a masterpiece. No one could argue against something like green Irish tweed. Green Jello, my favorite. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you agree. Green means go with perfume. Chance Eau Fresh. Well, it's not great. I know it's probably not even the best one out of the Chance, but it's a nice green. Vetiver by Christian Dior. I don't have that one. I've never smelt that one, but that's a nice green one. Any of you who like odd smelling or different, all right, not really challenging, but just different. Odd would be a good word for Eau Noire. And you like or love licorice, real good quality black licorice, the shoestring licorice, or like the real licorice candy suckers that come in a box. You know, the black licorice as opposed to the fake red. You gotta try Eau Noire. If you hate black licorice, the smell of it, I'm talking licorice here, not star anise. But you can interpret it as star anise. You're probably not gonna love Eau Noire. Aromatic, herbal, sweet, spicy, but the licorice note, just after you spray this on top, it just hits you, and it stays with you throughout. And it is it's very amusing. It's awesome. Looking forward to what Kurkdjian comes out with for his first piece at Christian Dior as the perfumer. Can't wait. Maybe sometime first quarter next year. And also from Chanel, maybe in a couple months, hoping for a new designer masculine from Chanel, other than the Allure line or the Blue line. So I hope that rumor is true. But Francis Kurkdjian, Eau Noire, the original La Mal, green is the color. That's a good Pink Floyd song too. But go, go, go. Go green. Bye-bye.